Hey guys, here is the Umidigi A3, the budget phone with the cool specifications and super design. So this is the A3 Space Gray color. So here are the some specifications. MTK 6739 quad-core CPU at 1.5 GHz, Android Oreo 8.1, 2 GB of RAM plus 16 GB of internal memory, dual nano SIM and a micro SD card slot, 3300 mAh battery, 5.5-inch 80 plus display 18 by 9 with 720p resolution, both and two cameras with 200 megapixel plus 5 megapixel and front facing camera at 8 megapixel, LTE, GPS, and so on. So it's time to unbox. I've got for around $16. So there's a Thanksgiving and some giveaway. Okay. Here is the device. So let's see another things in the box. Link to the world message. SIM ejection tool. User guide. Power adapter. Micro USB cable. And that's it. Okay. So it comes with pre-installed screen protector, not tempered glass, and a free case cover, which is cool. It's a little bit heavy because there is a metal frame. As you can see, back cover is absolutely glass. So here we have a 8 megapixel front facing camera, earpiece, some sensors needs to be there and there. Minimal bezels, curved edges, dual SIM, separated micro SD slot, yes, two nano SIM cards with micro SD slot. You can use the two cards with micro SD card in the same time. So metal frame, 3.5 headphone jack, microphone, micro USB port, volume speaker. It needs to be louder. Volume button, power button, volume rocker. two um, rear camera, 20 megapixel plus 5 megapixel quad LED flash, fingerprint scanner. Okay, so let's start it. Absolutely glass. So with this glass it's a little bit heavy and this metal frame, but it is very stylish. It looks like an iPhone 10, as you can see. So first boot can take may take a little bit, just wait. So here we go. Full support languages: Android 8.1 Oreo, IPS screen 5.5 inch, promise of full day of use from Umidigi. Pure Android experience. No branded ROM with bloatwares and so on. It's a pure. There is no hardware buttons. Physical. So we have 11 gigabyte of internal storage free for user. Umidigi A3 to from 16 gigabyte for internal storage. Android Oreo. It's not a super faster, but running well. I can hear the speaker is louder. Let's test it. Face unlock future, fingerprint scanner. Let's see the camera. Nice. HDR2. So there is modes like beauty, video at 1080p. So, okay. There is a little bit curved edges, as you can see. So compared to the Huawei P20 Lite, it's the same dimensions, but very height. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed my video. This is the quick review of Umidigi A3. Subscribe for more videos like this one and see you on next videos. Bye.